Good afternoon, students. So today we will revise our lessons. So important questions and all, big question and all, I can revise. So first, you can recall that give a constant sequence step involve the fertilization of the angiosperm plant. So the fusion of male and female gamete is called fertilization. Well, first you can write the what is fertilization. So on that angiosperm having a double fertilization. What is the event of fertilization? There are double fertilization. So germination of pollen to form pollen tube in the stigma, growth of the pollen tube in the style, direction of the pollen tube towards the micropyle of the ovule. So entry of the pollen into the one of the synergities of the embryo sac. So after that male gamete will be discharged, then male gamete fuse with the egg too, then it is called as the fusing of the egg, it is called as zygote. Second male gamete fuse with the polar nucleic, and this is the primary endosperm nucleus. So one male gamete fused with the egg from zygote is called zygome. So two more question is also there. Second male gamete fused with the polar nuclei, that is a 2n in form of the primary endosperm nucleus. So it is a 3n. This phenomena is called triple fusion. What is triple fusion? In result endosperm which form the nutritive tissue for the embryo. So next question, what is the structure of the oval? So this is the oval structure. So it is a lower class itself you are studied chalaza, integument, what is nucleus, embryo sac, microphil, fungal, vascular supply, ovule structure, this is only. So structure of ovule, ovule is also called megasporangium, it is produced by one or two covering called integuments. So mature ovule consists of a stalk called funiculus. The point of the attachment of the funicle to the body of the ovule is known as helium. It represents the junction between ovule and from funicle are called helium. The funicle is adherent to the body of the ovule forming a ridge called rapi. The body of the ovule is made up of the central mass of the parenchyma tissue called nucleus. It has large reserve food material. So protecting covering envelope protecting, there are having one or two more, we call as integuments. So integument enclose the nucleus except the top and form a pore called micropyle. The ovule with an integument said to be the untegumate, or two integuments are said to be the bitegamy. Okay, chalaza, it's very important. So because it is the meet the basal region of the ovule is called chalaza. So next, the micropyle end of the nucleus contain large oval sac like structure called embryo sac. Embryo sac, otherwise we call it as a female gametophyte. It is developed the functional megaspore formed within the nucleus. If everything will happen in the nucleus only. So another question. So we go for the 2-mark question. Define term diplospore. A diploid embryo sac is formed from megaspore mother called without regular meiotic division. So it is also called generative apospory. Example eupatorium and airworm. So next question. Why does the zygote divide only after the division of primary endosperm cell? Zygote need nourishment during the development. As the mature fertilization embryos very little nourishment to the zygote. So primary endosperm cell divides and generate the endosperm tissue which nourish the zygote. So the zygote always divide after the division of the primary endosperm cell. Okay. So another one question, list out the function of TAP term. So it supply nutrition to the developing microspores. It contribute the sporophyllum through the bis bodies. The pollen kit material is contributed by the TAPL cell and later transferred to the pollen surface. Exine proteins responsible for rejection reaction to stigma are present in the cavity of the exine. These proteins are divided from the taptal cells. So taptum cell is very important because it is a control the fertility and sterility also. So it is a microbial pollen grains. So write short notes on the heterostyle pollination. So you can recall in this lesson. So because it maybe it came from for you in May month, no? So just I can recall some other words. Mounting layering, ear layering. What is that? Mounting layer means it is only applied in the flexible branches only, but ear layering it is a nodal region. Okay, the lower branch with the limb bent to the ground. Here hormones were very important. The part of the stem is buried in the soil. Here covered with a damp soil. Okay, root emerge in the buried part. Here root emerge in the branches. Okay, and from highlights of the milestone from the history of the plant embryology, it's very important. 1682, 94, 71, 24, 48, 70, who's and all, and 78 up to 2015. You can study this important. Okay, discuss the important modern method in the reproduction of the plants. So multiple rapid in the short duration. So genetically identified and produce the plants, and difficult to germinate can be propagated, and rare in the endangered plants can be propagated. Disease free plants can be produced by the meristem culture. Okay, so these are the important. Sexual pollination is very, very important. Diagamy, protandry, or protagamy, or what do you mean by hergogamy? So diagamy were classified into two types, is the protandry and protogeny. So it is also very important. So in this chapter, so first lesson you can thorough with that. So some other clones. What are clones? And so asexual method is morphological and genetic identification are called clones. What is layering? Listed the two subareals of modification. So grafting and layering. What is grafting? So tissue one encourage the fuse with those another, it is a grafting. They are bud grafting, approach grafting, tongue grafting, crown grafting, or wedge grafting. So totally 5 types of grafting is there. Okay, mount means there is a no fusion between the tissue and the different plants. It is a form of mother plant only. Okay, so mount layering, the air layering of 2 types layering only here there. Okay, so that's all about this for first lesson. These words only important, so you can study from that book back question answer. And eminent India embryologist, who is the eminent embryologist? Mr. B. Maheshwari. And identify the correct matched pair. Pollen tip was discovered by AMC. What size of pollen grain? Myosotis. What is that? And identify the incorrect pair. Accession. These and all you important. You take care of that this part, and you can revise this new words and all. And ready for next week exam. Maybe tomorrow you have an exam. So ready for that, and all the best. Do well. Thank you, dear. Thank you, students.